Hello friends, welcome to Ayurvedic channel The Indian Pathy. I am Dr. Khushbu Mishra and today we are going to discuss on topic COVID-19. So, let's start. First of all, let's understand what is COVID. So, COVID is called as coronavirus disease. Coronavirus disease, that is COVID, is caused by coronavirus. This coronavirus causes common cold. That means if the coronavirus causes COVID, what will be the signs and symptoms associated with that will be common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome, as well as the Middle East respiratory syndrome. So these are associated with the coronavirus. In December 2019, a new coronavirus was identified. This virus was known as severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. That means in the year 2019, in the month of December, the coronavirus was actually identified, and initially the name was given was severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, that is SARS-CoV-2. CoV-2 was the name given to coronavirus initially, that is in year 2019. On 11th March 2020, World Health Organization declared COVID-19 outbreak as an pandemic. That means as we were proceeding towards 2020, that this coronavirus was spreading throughout the world and it had become a pandemic. So World Health Organization declared in year 2020 COVID-19 as pandemic. ना हाउ इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कोविड दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. तो आप जैसे देख रहे हैं स्लाइड में, इट इज राउंड स्पेरिकल इन शेप. इट इज कोरोना, द शेप एक्चुअली इज कोरोना शेप, देयरफॉर इट इज रिफर्ड टू एज कोरोना वायरस. It has spike glycoproteins, as you can see in the diagram. The outer surface is with the spikes. The spikes are made up of glycoproteins. Then we have hemagglutinin esterase dimer. Then we have M protein, E protein envelope, and inside at in the nucleus we have RNA, and N protein is present in the coronavirus. So this is the structure. That means how the coronavirus actually appears to be. Now we are going to see how is actually coronavirus caused. So there is no such cause till now it is discovered. That means अभी तक किसी cause किस कारणवश जो है कोरोना होता है, it is not been discovered yet, but it is said that it might be from the animals. That means actually we can only guess that it might be from animals, that therefore it is spreading to human beings. It spreads through the droplet infection. That means it is contagious disease. दैट मीन्स इफ वन पर्सन इज हैविंग कोरोना, तो उसके वजह से जो है सामने वाले इंसान को वो जो ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शन जो होते हैं, ड्रॉपलेट सलाइवा जो होते हैं, दैट में एंटर्न टू अनदर पर्सन who is healthy person, and that healthy person may also get infected with corona. So the droplet infection is the main source of coronavirus disease. If the infected person has touched the surface and non-infected person touches such surface, he or she may get infectious also. दैट मीन्स अगर कोई पर्सन जो ऑलरेडी कोरोना से जो है जिसको कोरोना वायरस डिजीज़ है, अगर वो इंसान अगर किसी सरफेस को टच करता है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अगर कोई हेल्दी पर्सन उस सरफेस को आकर टच करता है, तो उसके वजह से जो है कोरोना वायरस स्प्रेड हो सकता है. अभी इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड. सो इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड इज द time from the appearance of the disease to appearance of signs and symptoms. So the incubation period for the coronavirus is 2 to 14 days. Now what are the signs and symptoms associated with coronavirus? So initially we know that person may actually face fever. तो पहले fever आना, बाद में coughing होना, shortness of the breath, that means breathing में problem, difficulty होना, trouble breathing, fatigue मतलब छोटी छोटी थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में टायर्ड हो जाना, चिल्स मतलब एकदम ही ज़्यादा मात्रा में जो है ठंडी का शिकायत होना, बॉडी एक, as well as loss of the taste as well as smell are some of the signs and symptoms associated with coronavirus. Along with that will be nausea, मतलब जो है उल्टी के जैसा आना, डायरिया दैट इज लूज मोशंस होना, निमोनिया दैट इज रेस्पिरेटरी डिजीज, रेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर, सेप्टिक शॉक, एंड द एंड इफ द coronavirus is not treated and initial measures are not taken properly, so that patient may even that disease can be fatal to the patient, and that patient may even die. So death is the last stage. नाउ व्हाट आर द रिस्क फैक्टर्स। सो किन किन लोगों में हमको जो है कोरोना ज़्यादा मात्रा में देखने को मिल सकती है, जैसे इंक्रीज विद द एज, अगर कोई ज़्यादा एज का, अगर कोई इंसान अगर ज़्यादा एज का हो तो उसमें जो है कोरोना वायरस जल्दी से फैलता है। तो इंक्रीज इन द एज, एग्जिस्टिंग क्रॉनिक मेडिकल इलनेस, दैट मीन्स इफ द पेशेंट इज ऑलरेडी सफरिंग फ्रॉम सम मेडिकल कंडीशंस, that person may be prone to be getting coronavirus. Then we have serious heart disease, that means any kind of illness if the patient is suffering from, that person may be at risk of getting coronavirus. देन कैंसर, मतलब कैंसर के मरीज लोगों को भी जो है कोरोना आसानी से फैल सकता है, क्योंकि उनकी इम्यूनिटी जो है कमज़ोर हो जाती है। सिमिलरली एच आई वी पेशेंट को भी जो इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत ही वीक हो गई रहती है, इसकी वजह से कोरोना वायरस उनमें भी देखा जा सकता है। को अस्थमा का प्रॉब्लम या फिर सीओपीडी, दैट मीन्स क्रॉनिक ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव पल्मोनरी डिजीज, कोई भी पल्मोनरी के डिजीज़ हो या फिर अस्थमा हो मरीज़ को, तो भी जो है कोरोना वायरस आसानी से फैलता है उन मरीज़ों में। टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ की शिकायत हो मरीज़ में, सीवियर ओबेसिटी हो या क्रॉनिक जो है किडनी डिजीज़ हो, इन सभी मरीज़ों में जो है कोरोना वायरस जो है जल्दी से फैलता है। अभी डायग्नोस्टिक मेथड दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी, दैट मीन्स हाउ कैन यू एक्चुअली डायग्नोस कोरोना वायरस। फर्स्ट इज पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन, दिस इज वन ऑफ द टेस्ट विच इज परफॉर्म्ड इन ऑर्डर टू डायग्नोस कोरोना वायरस. Second is nothing but antibody testing. These are some of the diagnostic methods for coronavirus. Now, how actually we can treat the disease, that we're going to see. Initially, in the initial stage, when the coronavirus had appeared to be a new disease in the town, that time the treatment was not so much, that means it was not effective, that means it was not found out that which treatment should be given to corona. So in earlier stages we used to give antiviral or retroviral treatments, because the coronavirus is caused by viruses. So in order to avoid that virus, antiviral or retroviral treatment was given. Second, the breathing support, that means because of the coronavirus the patient used to go in asthmatic shocks or some breathing difficulty, so for that breathing support was given to the patient. Steroids, blood plasma transfusions were the some of the methods which were used to tackle out this problem. Prevention, how you can prevent the coronavirus from happening. That is, first is avoiding close contact, that means patient, if you're finding out the patient is having the symptoms of corona, so you need to avoid the contact with such patients. Wash hands frequently, that means in order to avoid the coronavirus, so we need to wash it frequently our hands. Don't touch face with the dirty hands. Limit outing, that means we need to avoid going to outings more often. 6 feet distance should be maintained from each individuals. Cover your face, mouth, nose and sanitize. So these are the some of the preventive methods to avoid coronavirus. So this was all about coronavirus disease. Till then, keep liking, sharing and subscribing our channel for more videos. Keep supporting our channel. Thank you so much.